Hey there! Today I will be doing the teeny weeny art challenge. So, as the name suggests, each time the paper is going to get smaller, smaller, and smaller until I don't have this teeny weeny thingy, which is 1 into 1.2 centimeters. So, let's start with the challenge. First, I will draw on my normal basic A4 size sheet and I'll be making an oil pastel drawing. So what I will draw is a flower with a ladybug. It's going to be very challenging for me to make an oil pastel drawing on smaller pieces because I'm sure you must be knowing that oil pastels easily spread with your hand. So it might become a little messy, but I'm still very excited. Let's see what happens next. And yeah, what I'm drawing right now is a very popular illustration, so it's possible you already know this. By the way, this is a very popular challenge which I have seen many times on internet. I've seen many YouTubers doing this and I really wanted to do it by myself. So here I am today, even though it's going to be very tough, and I know that, especially working with oil pastels. So I really love the combination of blue and pink over here for the petals, and right now just my last petal is left. And of course, how can we forget our ladybug? So for drawing the ladybug, I'm using a black sketch pen for the dots and a white gel pen for its cute eyes, and now it's ready. Moving on to a smaller piece, you can see this is much more smaller than the A4 size one. So again, the steps remain the same: sketching and then coloring. And till now I feel it's looking quite identical. The piece of paper on which I am drawing this measures 6.5 into 8.5 centimeters, and this is how it has turned out. So yes, they are quite identical except for the ladybug, which is fine for me. And now let's move on to an even more smaller piece. Check this out, how small it is. Now I feel that the real challenge begins. So this paper measures 3 into 3.5 centimeters and the sketch is done. Now I've started with the coloring. So this time the shading part was a little difficult, but I managed to do it, and this is how it has turned out. Now it's time to draw the ladybug again. And you can see how the final results look like. Now I have an even more smaller piece of paper. So this time the sketching part was difficult, like I could not erase it at all, the paper was running away. And now you can see I have spoiled this, the black is more visible and yellow is not visible at all. So I replaced it with another size sheet. I mean, the size is same but another sheet. This time the shading was even tough, like the petals part was tough at the same time, and this is how it looks. I feel that this one is better than the previous one, really. These three were still fine, at least I was able to draw on them, but now I have the teeny weeny thingy with me. Check this out, how small that is. So you can see it's even smaller than my thumbnail, and if we compare this with our original drawing, then it's seriously even more smaller than the ladybug. I was very nervous, so first of all I taped this down so that it's stable and I'm at least able to draw on this. And at some places I also used a magnifying glass. This made my work a little more easier. So the sketching part was tough, and don't mind my hair are coming, and that's because I had to look very closely. So even though I wanted to make this on a 1 into 1 centimeter piece of paper, but I did it 1.2 because I wanted it to be of rectangular shape. So right now I'm drawing on a 1 centimeter into 1.2 centimeter piece of paper, and it's almost done. Like, it's looking so horrible. Okay, check the ladybug out, it's looking horrible, but seriously I was at least able to draw on this. Like, what else can you expect from such a small piece of paper? To make it a little more visible, I used a sketch pen to outline just the top part, and then I tried giving it a little more shade of purple. No, actually this is violet and you can see how horrible it looks, but I'm still proud of myself. Like, at least I was able to do it. I didn't even expect this much. So yes, overall the drawing is looking bad. Like, I don't regret that at all. So now let's review all the drawings again. So yeah, the first four were still fine, but the last one was not good at all. And yeah, that's what it looks like. I wish I could do it better, but yeah, that's all for this video. I really worked hard for this, especially the last one. If you enjoyed watching, do give it a thumbs up. I really worked hard. And yeah, until next video, bye bye.